If you are a manufacturer of a medical device and interested in selling your products in Pakistani market, then this video is for you. Pakistan's healthcare market is always an attraction for international healthcare manufacturers due to its attractive size of more than 4 billion USD and of course its population of almost 240 million. A lot of international companies like Sanofi, Merck, Abbott are already working in Pakistan. But if you believe that you can offer an advanced medical technology at affordable price, then there is a space for you. But the question is, how can you get your market share? An international manufacturer can enter into Pakistan's healthcare market through any one of the following methods. First, select a local Pakistani distributor as his selling agent. Second, register his company with Securities and Exchange Commission of Pakistan as foreign branch of current business. First, you will apply with SECP to get the registration certificate of your branch. For this process, you can hire a consultant so that he can get certificate for you. After this registration, your national tax number will automatically be generated when you get your NTN. After that, you will get on rent a place for your office and open a bank account. The required capital will be deposited in this bank account and you will get a certificate that the share amount has been deposited. Then the next step is you can apply for sales tax number so that your import can be cleared on that. After getting sales tax number, you will open an account with Pakistan single window. Without opening an account with Pakistan single window, no import can be made. Your bank will also be involved in this process. After completing all this process, you will apply for grab import license. After this procedure, you will apply for product registration with Grab. After the registration of your product, you can start marketing your products in Pakistan. In this method, you will select a local business as authorized agent. The better way to do is that you can appoint a consultant through which you will get at least 4 to 5 potential options. These options include the persons who are authorized agents of some renowned brands already working in Pakistan. You will evaluate all 5 options. The criteria for evaluation will be how many number of years they are in business, their trade documentation like national tax number, sales tax number, Chamber of Commerce registration, then their registration with Grab, the detail of technical staff they possess, the sales staff they possess with their existing market share which they are getting, and in the last their financial stability. After evaluating all these points, you will choose the best option and give him the first chance as priority. Then share tentative prices with the selected distributor and send product for evaluation. After successful evaluation, finalize the prices, keeping in view the prices of the similar product in the market. Here you will note that the offered price must be at least 1/5 of the overall selling price to cover the freight and duties, taxes and other expenses. After setting the prices, sign a sale agreement with your distributor and give him the authority letter and other documents so that he can register your product with Grab In last, we will compare both methods to get the result that which one is beneficial. Both approaches have their own benefits, drawbacks and limitations. If you evaluate in terms of cost and time, the second approach is best. More than 80% of the international health companies which are already working in Pakistan are using this method. However, if you are evaluating from long-term business objectives, you may opt for the first approach because this approach is opted by different international renowned brands and they are working in Pakistan from almost 50 to 60 years and possess a large portion of Pakistani market for the long time. This is the end of our video. I hope you will like our video. If you want to hire our services as consultant, then you can contact at the WhatsApp number given on your screen. Please like and share our video. Thanks for watching.